my amazing aunt got me a Gucci bag, and I just wanted to like show it on the camera because this color just came out, like this style, not this style, but this color just came out for this season. And I first saw it on, Krisha showed me a picture of this celebrity, Maha Salvador, I think that's her name. She's a Filipino celebrity, and she was like, there's a purple Gucci bag, and I was like, a purple Gucci bag, what? So we went to the Crystals in Aria in Vegas, and they had the bag, and I am so excited to show you. It's so beautiful. Like this bag, oh my gosh, like I'm gonna fold this and bring this to Virginia with me. It is gorgeous. Oh, and I have like, they gave us like complimentary drinks, and I wasn't able to open this sparkling pomegranate and orange juice. So I'm gonna drink that later, and gave us water. So nice, so nice. But here is the Gucci box. It is so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, like this box, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm so excited. I've already unboxed, like I've already like unwrapped it because, you know, I'm just not gonna say it because, you know, cousin code, not gonna tell what happened. It comes with the like dust bag, satin dust bag, and it has Gucci on there. So I'm so excited. I was like, when you like pay, and after you pay, they like go and get you a new bag, and like after that the associate's like, okay, can you please open the box and like check if it's like the right bag, if it's the one that you want, just make sure like everything is finalized before like you leave, because that you just spent so much money on a bag, got to make sure it's like the right one, like, you know, if you're feeling it, you know. So I'm just so annoyed. It is the purple Gucci Marmont. I think it's the small bag. Yeah, it is so gorgeous. It comes with it's a shoulder bag. I mean, it can be a crossbody, I think. Oh my gosh, wait. So it has this long leather strap. Oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. Has the 2 G's. This color and a emerald green just came out for this season, and it is so perfect. Like, I can't explain to you how much I love this purse. Like the 2 G's, the GGs. This is like the perfect size because my wallet that I got for Christmas is the Louis Vuitton Clements Bloom. I think it's the Bloom. It has it has the regular monogram, and it has the chain. I mean a charm. I literally can't talk. This wallet perfectly fits like this bag, and which is good because like you need a wallet in your bag. So it like perfectly fits in there because I tried it out, try to make sure that my wallet would fit in there, because yo girl is going to be using this wallet all the time because my aunt gave this to me, and she's the freaking coolest aunt ever, and I love her so much. Like I'm like really bad at like showing like emotions, and when she like told me, I like, it probably looked like I wasn't even like happy, but like in the inside I was like freaking out. I was like, oh my gosh, like really, like are you serious? And like my eyes like actually started watering because I'm wearing false eyelashes, and then like they were like the inner corner was like peeling off because like my eyes were watering and I was like trying not to cry because I didn't want to look crazy in the Gucci store. But I am like so happy, like I'm so happy for this bag. Like the best like 2018, like start to 2018. Like I am obsessed with this. Like oh my gosh, like it's so cute. Like and I always wear black. Like there's a majority of the time I'm wearing black, so it's perfect. And even if like it doesn't match anything, I'm still going to stunt in this bag because this bag is gorgeous. Like I don't understand, like I don't really see a lot of like designer bags with fun colors. This is my first Gucci bag too, and I was like freaking out. I was so happy. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in Vegas, my most exciting gift ever. And I'm going to go pack because we're leaving tomorrow morning, and then I go to Hawaii on Wednesday. Woohoo! I'm so excited. And I've been like learning how to use Final Cut, and I'm about to have like a sick intro. Well, you probably already saw the sick intro, but I'm so excited for that intro. I like just want to like really work on my YouTube channel this year because I got my dream vlogging camera for Christmas, and that was not cheap. So I am going to make great content this year, like stamp. I'm going to make great content this year, so I'm excited for 2018 because 2017 sucked, and I can't wait for what's in store this year. So thanks for watching.